This video is a mixture of information laced with blatant shilling. Not only am I going to tell you about Bambu Labs Black Friday deals, but I'm then also going to tell you about my link in the description where I'm going to get a kickback. But I'm going to do this as open as I can because some of these deals you really need to be aware of. Bambu have dropped the price of the A1 Mini to under £140 in the UK, or the P1S combo with the original AMS for under £470. Some of this pricing is insane, and if you were considering getting yourself one of these printers, now is the time to do it. There is no question that Bambu Lab haven't replaced one of these. For instance, the P1S has now been replaced with this, the Bambu Lab P2S. I'm actually in the process of testing this on the channel right now, so do take into account that some of this pricing may be based on that product being end of life. Don't think though for 1 minute that means it's a bad product, and in fact the P1S is still my #1 recommended printer on this channel today if you're looking for a fully enclosed printer. And if you're not looking for a fully enclosed printer and you're happy with the smaller bed size, the A1 Mini is my second #1 choice, or my second choice. More than anything, I want you to be aware of the discounts that are available because these are not going to be around for long. And if then you want to support the channel, there will be an affiliate link in the description. Bambu Lab have some incredible deals on their printers right now. They have Black Friday deals where they are dropping the price on some of the older models such as the P1S combo and the A1 series to incredible levels. And when I say incredible, genuinely, I mean this. For instance, you can now get the P1S combo whilst it's available in the UK. That is the version with the standard AMS module for £469, or the standalone P1S for £329. As I've said, I'm in the process of reviewing the P2S, but at this price, between the two, unless you absolutely need engineering filament capabilities, you really should consider this. There is also price reductions on the A1, but more than that, I want to highlight the price reduction on the A1 Mini, which is my #1 recommended printer if you're looking to get yourself a starter 3D printer, especially for FPV and TPU. The A1 Mini can be bought for £139, or the combo for £249. Pricing in the US is obviously going to vary as well, but there are some big discounts here too. So for instance, the P1S AMS 2 Pro combo is available for $619. The P1S on its own is available for $399, and the A1 Mini is available for $199 as a standalone printer. Now, just to be clear, as I've said already, the P1S is heading out the door from the looks of it. That doesn't mean though it is a bad printer, and if you're someone who is looking for a fully enclosed printer but doesn't need engineering filament capabilities, then I can still hand on heart recommend the P1S over even the P2S, especially at this price. And when it comes to the A1 Mini, well, I'm not aware of any new models coming, but that pricing is just too good not to consider, especially when you're talking about being able to buy an A1 Mini for under £140 in the UK. Now, as I have said, the shilling, there is an affiliate link to Bambu Lab in the description. I use Bambu Lab's affiliate scheme here on this channel, mostly because they are one of the best brands that I've worked with. I only use affiliate links from a few brands: Radio Master, Bambu Lab. There aren't really many others that I use them from now, and that is because they are brands I trust. But you don't have to use this link. You can go to bambulab.com and get the same discounts. There's nothing specific to me here, but if you did want to support the channel, please consider using the link because it does help me being able to keep buying products like this. You don't know what that is? It's the Protoss. Yes, I have it, and I'm going to be talking about that in the near future, and it is only through the support of things like the affiliate links and the Patreons, the donations, I'm able to keep buying these products from the likes of DJI, companies we don't work with, Cadex, companies we definitely don't work with anymore. Anyway, that's it from me. Links in the description. Stay safe. I will speak to you soon.